Right now, I have two lures in my hand. You have to pick one though. All right, let me tell you the fishing conditions. It's calm, 6:30ish, 7:30. The sun is setting, bed of weeds in front of you, and you are throwing some sort of soft plastic. All right, lure number one, you got that bandito bug, green pumpkin color, Guggen bait, bandito bug. So this sucker can be fished in all sorts of waters. You can go shallow, you can go middle, and low. You can flip it, jig head, anything you want, you can catch a fish on it. It's a solid lure. Next lure is the freaking Senko. Once again, green pumpkin color. Which one is taking the dub? Guys, the green Senko, I don't think I have to say anymore. Everybody knows how powerful both of these lures are. Which ones are you taking?